Yeah, welcome trader. This is Zone Point FX where we read trap and strike. So I want to do part two of this gold. Part two of the gold. Let's from the 1 hour. You can see that from our 1 hour, what we analyzed initially on part one was what was actually good, and this is 1:3. That means if you are risking like $200 by now, you'll be on $600. And if you are risking $1,000 by now, you'll be on $3,000. So now, since you already know, I don't need to go to the daily to start disturbing everybody with too much talk. Since you already know that, let's delete this. So our new target will be here. This is our new target. Our new target will be here. Yeah, I can't. This candle is currently forming, but we don't need to bother a lot. Our new candle will be new target will be here, and power of 3. If you are using power of 3, this candle that is forming now, if this candle close now, it will not be our manipulation, and this will not be what our distribution. Hope you guys are following me up. This will be our manipulation, this will be our distribution, and another one will form. This will be the third candle that will form after this one close, will be our distribution. This one is our manipulation, and this one is our accumulation. So what we do, we don't need this again, but we leave it for a reason. We will be putting our line here, so a new candle that want to form, new candle that will be forming after it. We have 5 minutes for this one to close. So a new candle that will be forming now. Let me mark, this is open close. Let me mark the wick of this close body candle. Just see the way I'm analyzing. So let's mark the wick too. You see now. You see, we used this one initially earlier for something. So to me now, without going to lower time frame, let me first mark out where I'm expecting my entry to come in from this area. From this area, I'll be targeting low of this middle here, candle, this body candle middle. So, and I'll be doing what? This is what I'll be expecting, and I'll be targeting this week here. So this is what I'll be expecting, but like I can tighten it if you want to. Let's just leave it like that. Hope we see the test like our former result, that it's played out the way we want it to. Let's just put it to that level, the body week here. So we are expecting, let me delete this. So what am I expecting? Let me move this to one side. So what are we expecting? We're expecting a new price that will happen to do what? To form from this area. Maybe when this close, maybe a new candle that will happen will do what? We do as if you want to sell down first. We get from here and start pulling up to take this. That's one. So let's delete this. So let's check lower time frame. Which is our 15-minute time frame. So on our 15-minute time frame, so we already see what our price did. What price has tapped into this space to do what? To do as if it's moving up. This is it. To do as if it's moving up. This is our this thing. We are in a bullish. This is our manipulation, accumulation. We're expecting distribution. So the distribution I'll be expecting distribution from this level. This is our CRT low. CRT low. So let's check it on 1 hour. So we are seeing this on 1 hour. So there's too much of line. That is how chart is. Me, I believe I don't need this. Let me delete this. I believe it's not about your chart being fine. It's about, can your chart show results? So mark as much line as possible you can. The major thing is you need results from that line you are marking, not just marking line, and at the end of the whole line you mark, you won't be able to do what? Pull out results. So now we're expecting what? We're expecting a bullish market. So let's go to our 15 minutes to draw what? To draw a trend line conflict. So, and to draw the trend, I'll be doing what? I'll be changing this to what? This to line. Changing this to line, I'll be picking my trend line from here. It's in angle, so here to here. So I'll be picking the trend line from here to here, aligning with what? Aligning with my key points I marked. So now let's use Fibonacci also. Let's use Fibonacci here. Fibonacci, we join Fibonacci from here to here. So, and you see that if you have been following my video, I said 0.5 and 0.6 is what? Inducement in my Fibonacci whatever. So we're expecting price to tap in below the 0.6. Let's use candle, and you can see that price did what? Tapped in below 0.6 into this. So I'm expecting what? A buy move, and you can see a new candle is already forming, which I said earlier that I'm going to sell down first before moving up. Initially I said like we are going to sell down like this to this level before doing what? Moving up, or sell down to this level here before doing what? Moving up. So any one of it, let's see how market is going to it. Let's see how market is going to perform this thing. But due to my fib that I drew, so I know I'm expecting market to sell down before selling up. So let's just stay patient on it and see what the market will do. Let's see what the market will do. And you can see my trend line. I'm not expecting market to do what?
Nonsense. I will wipe your head.
I'm not expecting market. I'm not expecting market to go below this trend line. So I just want us to wait a little so that I can see the reaction of the market together before stopping the video. So stay blessed, stay cool, enjoy yourself. This week is going to be profit week. I don't want to know. This week will be profit week because I've already made some profit from here, and the profit I made from here is 1:3. So which is, I think, is good. So you can see how the market is doing its thing. It's selling down. So you can see those levels I marked. So that's why it's good for you to mark out levels. Just mark out your levels and let's see how market reacts on those levels. So you can see that market is already giving me kind of reaction from this week. This is where market is giving me reaction from here down to here. Okay, this is one reaction here that I mark initially, but market did not use that one. Market used, I said this is distribution that we form now. This is manipulation and this is accumulation. So market use this IC CRT I. Market just swept it a little bit down and is moving up. So you can see how we just analyze our good, So it's very good when you know what market is doing, what is giving. Now I can do what? Tighten my stop loss. Can tighten my stop loss a little bit. Be watching what the market will do. I'm still watching how the market will play out. Let's check 15 minutes. I just tighten my stop loss since I'm already seeing a reaction, but the reaction is not clear yet. So my stop loss, I can just put it at this level here. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see. That's good. You should understand analysis. You understanding analysis is very good. So let's go to weekly to see the level we are looking at for weekly. This weekly candle sef we no understand. This is Monday. This is Monday, the market that open on Monday, so there is no any level at the top that we are expecting market to react from. So let's just use our daily. So our daily too, there is no level. No level to, let's check to the right hand side. No level to the right hand side. So all we'll be doing, focus. Let's check 4 hours. On our 4 hours too, no level on our 4 hours. We did not have a specific level. So on our 1 hour now, that is where we have this level on 1 hour. So if 1 hour played out finish, we wait to see what the under candle reaction will be like. So I think this is what it is. So I just want us to check this candle reaction together. So that's why there's nothing more about the analysis. I just want us to check this candle reaction together and see how it moves. Because if you all agree with me, markets use this RBS, RBS, which is a, should I call it? I don't really know that block. I don't know, but markets use this level here, this order here. That is RBS to do us to move up. So it's telling me market is moving up. For markets to tap in here is moving up. Hope you get me. So we are waiting for a move up reaction. I'm waiting for a move up reaction That's why I'm still waiting so that we see it together. We see it together, understand it together. So it won't be as if this guy is just analyzing the market. The market, we don't understand how the market is playing out. I don't need that. I just use it to explain something. And don't forget, this is our trend line also. But it's always good. You should always put your market below your trend line. If you're an aggressive trader that don't wait for confirmation, it's always good. Put your Excel below your trend line like this in case if market try to misbehave. And you can see what the market is doing. The market is what? Pushing up. But now if you ask me, will I buy now? No, I won't buy now. I won't buy now because I'll wait for markets to do. Let me delete this. I won't buy now because I'll wait for markets to do what? To push. I won't buy now because I'll wait for markets to do what? To break above this level. When I see that this 1 hour candle that is forming currently either break above this level, another 1 hour that is going to happen break above this level and close above this level, I will be buying from there to target this high here. So let's just watch it together. We cannot see how it's playing out. The market is still what? Is still moving up, moving down, moving up, moving down. But I can strongly say that market is moving. I just purposely want to do this part of of gold because our part one market move fast on it. So it shouldn't be as if is what I'm seeing happening. That is why I don't know how to explain it. But this part now give us more clarity and understanding if you have been following my video. So again, I can see this level here too. This is a level here. This is also a level here. You can see that level, how market is respecting it on 15. That is why I said when you are doing an analysis, draw as much line as possible you can. As far you are understanding your charts, some people will tell you line. I'm on a Telegram channel like that. That one guy is telling me that I love putting line too much on my chart. Let me put, I understand my line. It's not about fine charts, it's about bringing out money from the market, drawing out profits. That's just the major thing. So you can see, and this line here, this candle here, this bullish candle, open close, open close. So I'm targeting the close, and that close in this kind of this thing out is called a resistance becomes support. That is how BS resistance becomes support. So this is a RBS. Let's name it that RBS. RBS, that market is what reacting from. You see, as I'm analyzing it, this is RBS the market is reacting from 115 minutes. So let's check 1 hour. Analysis is just so sweet and cool if you understand what you are doing. Once you understand what you are doing, analysis is cool and sweet. You can see this RBS that we mark on 15 minutes. You can see that that is where price is doing what we are acting from. So this already give us a strong confirmation enough, and we can what tighten our Excel to this level, to this level, yeah, to this level here, and wait for market to do what give us our buy profits. And that's what we do. I'll show you the results. Just check on my TikTok or Twitter handle. And if you love this video, you love the analysis, you find it educative, please click on the subscribe button, like, comment, and share to your loved ones so that they can also benefit from trading. Thank you. Stay blessed and stay cool.